Hi, welcome to New Spear. Today we're going to make a walking rainbow. So for my materials, I have some water, about 2 cups, food coloring, the 3 primary colors, so yellow, blue, and red, 6 clear cups. You could use glass or plastic, and a lot of paper towels, probably about 6 or so paper towels. All right, let's begin. So first, we're going to take our cups and put them in a circle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is a project that you're going to want to keep in the same place for about a day or so to see the results. So you're going to want to do this somewhere where they won't be bothered, like on a high table somewhere, or you could just do the whole project on like a cutting board. So then you could just move the board and put it somewhere where it won't get disturbed, or a large plate. You could put the cups all on a plate before you start. Okay, so we've got our 6 cups in a circle. Next, we're going to pour water in 3 of our cups. So I'm going to fill up the cup about halfway, this cup, and then I'm going to skip a cup, leave this one empty, fill up this one about halfway, and then skip this cup, leave it empty, and fill up this one about halfway. So every other cup has water in it, again, filled about halfway up. Okay, so next, a fun part, we're going to put our colors in. So again, we have our 3 primary colors. So for the yellow, I just put a little bit of yellow in because I find that if you put a lot, it kind of looks orange. So I'm just going to start with 1 drop for now. We'll see if we need to add more. And then for the blue, I'll start out with 2 drops. I don't want it to get too dark. And for the red, let's start out with 2 also. And I'm going to grab a popsicle stick I have to stir. You could also just use your finger. Okay, so I'll stir the blue. Use the other side to stir the red. And stir the yellow. Okay, so I think those colors look good. That looks super yellow, and the red looks good. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna make the red a little bit darker. Maybe 1 more drop. There we go. I'll just mix that with my finger. Okay, so we've got yellow, blue, and red, our 3 primary colors. So this activity is super great for helping to teach your kiddos about secondary colors, what colors primary colors make when they're mixed together. So next I'm going to take my paper towels. I'm going to take 1, I have the select a size one, so this one's like half a size of a normal paper towel, and I'm just going to roll it up. That should be good. Doesn't have to be an exact size. You just kind of want it rolled up, maybe about 1 inch wide or so. It kind of depends on the size of your cups too. And I'm going to take it and put 1 end in my yellow and the other end in the empty cup next to it. And then I'm just going to continue that. All right, and last one. So I think I used 6 small paper towels, so like 3 regular size paper towels. So you just want to make sure that each end is in a cup. It's okay if it's a little wonky as long as they're in the cups. All right, so now the next step is just waiting. So what's going to happen over the next few hours? I think for best results, it's good to, you could even wait like a day, like almost a full 12 hours. And what's going to happen is the water is going to come up from the cups that have water in them. It's going to travel up the paper towels and start to deposit water into the empty cups. And the empty cups are going to end up being the three secondary colors. So the blue and the red will mix together to make purple water. The yellow and the blue will mix together to make green. And the yellow and the red will mix together to make orange. So it's pretty neat to watch it happen. So again, you want to put this somewhere where it won't get disturbed, but somewhere where you can see it so you can watch the progression. And I have one that has been sitting for almost 24 hours actually, a long time. And I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so here's mine that I did yesterday that's been sitting for about almost 24 hours. And again, it probably really only takes about 12 to start to see it really well. And as you can see, the yellow and the blue mix together to make green, the blue and the red mix together to make a cool dark purple, the red and the yellow mix together to make orange. So pretty cool. So again, a really good way to help teach your kiddos what colors we get when we mix our three primary colors. Super fun. Thanks, guys.